Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Samp P 500 futures refresh record high above 3,500 despite mixed catalysts. http ntvforex.com news ID 1C62A2 4 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Samp P 500 futures begins the week with a gap up followed by a run up to refresh the record high to 3,523.88. Chinese PMIs recede in August. 4 of 5 major state-owned banks increased bad debt provisions. Abenomics to continue even after PM Abe's resignation. Japanese data for July flashed mixed signals. Speech from FIDA Clarita. Trade war headlines may offer intermediate clues. Samp P 500 futures take the bids near 3,520, up 0.50% on a day, amid Monday's Asian session. The risk barometer refreshed the record high to 3,523.88 before a few minutes while extending its 7-day winning streak to the 8th one. Although the US dollar bounce and hopes of further stimulus could be considered as major factors favoring the market's optimism, signals from Japan Times that Abenomics will continue even after PM Shinzo Abe retires keep the traders hopeful of the further money supply. Furthermore, the U.S. health official Dr. Fauci cited increased hopes of an early vaccine to the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. Talking about the negatives, China's NBS manufacturing PMI slipped below 51.1 prior in August while Japan's retail sales eased for July and the industrial production flashed mixed signals for the reported month. Elsewhere, Australia's STD securities inflation dropped to 0.1% MOM in August. Other than the mixed data, traders also got caught amid challenges to further money supply from China as Reuters cited during the weekend that 4 of China's 5 largest state-owned banks said they have increased their provisions against bad debt. Additionally, China's anti-subsidy investigation on Aussie wine imports flashes trade negative signals. Even so, the market sentiment remains upbeat with the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields rising to 0.738% while the Asia-Pacific stocks stay mostly in the positive region with Japan's Nikkei 225 leading the run-up with 1.92% gains. Although the economic calendar has a few second-tier data, markets will wait for comments from the Federal Reserve Governor Richard Clarita for fresh impetus. Additionally, the U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index may also offer intermediate direction. Read NBSP Samp P 500 Weekly Forecast Best August since 1986, How will September start? Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.